Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to make a smooth transition on CapCut application. Okay, so now first open your CapCut and then import the video that you want to add a transition. And then how to make the transition much more smooth is first click the video like this. I already prepared this two video for you guys. This video is about a walking girl that's walking on the night like this. First I will try to decrease the duration of the video by swiping this white spot on the clip. I think I will adjust it onto 5 seconds like this, and on the second video I will decrease the duration to onto 5 seconds, same as the first clip like this. And after that, now you need to click the animation, this button, you click the clip like this and then click the animation, and then you need to find this zoom one, then it's usually you can find it on the combo animation, this one, and then click the zoom one like this and then check it. And on the second clip, as same as the first clip, you need to add an animation, this one, by clicking it. And on the first clip we're using the zoom 1, but on the second clip we need to use this zoom 2, this one. And after that, as same as before, check it. And now this is the result when you already adding animation onto your clip like this. And as you can see, that is still not that smooth on the moving from each clip to another clip. So we need to add a transition by clicking this white spot in the middle of the clip, in the middle of the two clip. Click it like this, and now swipe up. Then we need to insert this pull-in transition. It's on trending transition, and then click it, pull in. Okay, click the pull in and then check it like this. And now we can see the result, and your video will be look like this. As you can see, there's a motion onto the first clip and then the transition, and then change to the second clip, and now the second clip have a motion onto the last second like this. And that's the way how to do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.